Machining is at the heart of production at ELITEX in Gdynia. Components for assembly are manufactured on modern CNC machines from a diverse range of materials. The machining of large components and welds is performed on milling centres. Investment in new machines, such as the Doosan Lynx 300 lathe, helps us to meet our customers' demands for high dimensional accuracy and the quality of machined surfaces. Quality control is an inherent part of the manufacturing process. This is provided by specialized and regularly trained employees who are able to unequivocally identify any errors during machining. During their work, they use machines and tools that even perform 3D measuring. It is vital to discover the cause of defective pieces and eliminate it using appropriate corrective measures. This illustrates the ELITEX team's spirit and effort to continuously improve all processes throughout the entire company. We await your assignment. elitex.cz